Hey, what is up guys, I'm Andrew Tech, and on this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix crashing apps on any Android device. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So there are many reasons why apps crash on your device, but there are some simple and fast ways to fix this issue, and I'm gonna be going over some of the methods that worked for me when I have crashing apps on my device. So the first method seems to work 100% for me, and this is to force stop the app that is crashing. And it is very simple to do this. All you have to do is go to your device's settings and then go to apps and select a certain app that is crashing. For example, if eBay is crashing, all you have to do is click on it and then press force stop, and they should be able to fix the crash issue. But another way to fix this issue is by making sure that your device's software is up to date, because this can also cause apps crash and overall making your device to crash because new updates have been required. To check if you have the latest software update, all you have to do is go to the settings, and as you can see here on my S9, it says software updates, and all I have to do is press on it and then click check for updates, and it's going to tell you if your device is up to date or if new updates have been required for your device. Another simple way to fix this issue is by restarting your Android device whenever the app crashes. So hold the power button for a couple of seconds and then click restart. So this is a common and simple way to fix this issue, but it doesn't hurt to try it out. And finally, another way that can possibly fix this issue is by freeing up some space on your device and getting rid of junk files or any type of junk file that you have and you don't need. So this includes getting rid of junk APK files that you downloaded in the past, or really any type of junk file, because sometimes junk files that we have on our devices can also cause crashing apps and also slowdowns on our phones. But make sure to try these steps that I mentioned, and I guaranteed you that one of these steps is gonna work for you. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video guys. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like. Also, let me know down below in the comments if any of these methods worked for you or if didn't work for you, and if they didn't work for you, I'll try to help you down below in the comments. I'll make sure to reply to all the comments down below. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.